Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today is the 20th of January 2020 and it's good to be back. I've not made a video in a while because it was away seeing my family. You know, I recommend everybody go and spend some time with your family as often as possible. And it's just good for the brain, good for the body, good for the mind. You know, it's definitely a healthy thing anyway, in my opinion. So anyway, guys, I've got three extremely important things to talk about today on Bitcoin, and some of them may be more simple than others, but very important. And you might not see them posted in many other groups, you know, on Twitter, on YouTube, or whatever. You know, a lot of people sometimes miss little elements like this, little important key elements like this. So I just want to go through them with these. Okay, well, the first thing is a very simple concept, guys, and it is the fact that in an uptrend, guys, there is no uptrend unless you establish higher highs and higher lows. So, you know, it sounds very simple, but some people fail to realize that. Um, you know, in the last bull market, in the last bear market, I should say, we created higher lows, lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high in here, lower high here, lower high here, a lower high here, another one here, and another one here. And we actually created, no, this was the first higher high. So anyway, look at this, guys. This is called a downtrend. Now what do we have here? We have a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You can call that lower high if you want. And we have a lower high. So very simple. Lower higher lows, lower lows, sorry, lower lows. You know, it goes the whole way, guys. Lower lows, the whole way. They're all lower lows. Technically, guys, this is still in a bear market, in a downtrend. This is what you call a downtrend, and technically, it's still a downtrend. Now, I am, you know, I'm leaning bullish, but part of me thinks that this could be a fake out. But then we have the halving, and you know, the halving is usually bullish. So there is mixed signals. But let me show you. Let me show you this. Now, the issue I have, guys, is that this is such a long way to take out this high. We need to take out this high, guys. This is a monumental task. You know, markets do not like to travel massively to make a higher high. You know, we need this to take a higher high. Yes, we have a micro trend here. This is a micro trend, guys. It's not a macro. This is micro bullish trend. We have a higher high, higher high, higher high. You know, and higher lows. Don't forget the higher lows. We have higher lows in there as well. We have a micro trend, and it is not. That is what it is. It's micro. This high needs to be taken out there at this point here, and you can see there it is 10,560 roughly. We need to get up there to establish a higher high, and then we can start talking about that we are in a bull trend. Now, in the meantime, you know, there's a lot of speculation involved, you know, because technically we're just not in a bull trend. Yes, we can have a bullish move, but technically it is not a higher high. Okay, so with that established, that is vitally important to understand that, guys. You know, in the meantime. Now, there is bullish signals, and let me get to that in a minute, but I need to talk about a few things here. This is, you can see here, this, when price forms a lower low, okay, sorry, lower high. Price forms a lower high. Okay, I'll run with this. A lower high, and in the oscillator, this is an RSI. You can see the RSI there. It forms a higher low, or a higher high, sorry, a higher high. I'm getting confused there. Forms a higher high, and we have the exact same pattern here. Okay. Now, what happened after this? We rolled over. Now, for people that don't understand and don't know what that is, guys, this is a hidden bearish divergence. And this occurs when price makes a lower high, but the oscillator makes a higher high. You can see there the oscillator makes a higher high. Now if I go back here, you can see the price makes a lower low, lower high, and the price makes a higher high. Okay, you can see there a higher high. By now you've probably guessed that this occurs in a downtrend, guys. And you can see obviously we were in a downtrend in Bitcoin. We got the bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, and it's exactly what we are getting here right now. When you see the hidden bearish divergence, chances are that the pair will continue to shoot lower and continue into a downtrend, continue the downtrend. So is this going to get rejected here, guys? I know we've broke out of certain trend lines, you know, depending on what we draw this, blah blah. We've broke out and all the rest. You know, if we break under that trend line again, guys, that's extremely bearish. I just need to point that out. So guys, this is number 2. I told you I had 3 things to show you today. This is number 2. We have a hidden bearish divergence that nobody is talking about. Number 2 is people don't seem to understand, you know, we need to form a higher high before we can actually really talk about being an uptrend, before it is speculation. That was number 1. Now number 3, guys, number 3 is simple support and resistance. Now let me just show you. Let me take off this RSI here, if the chart would work. Bitcoin is down 1.7% here. So okay guys, very simple. Now you can see we broke out. There was this range. Now I need to break down into a 4-hour time frame and stuff to see this better, but you know, there was support in here, support here, and a support here with this. So this is a bad example of it because it's hard to see on this daily chart. But when you break it down to smaller time frames, you can see here, you know, price, there was resistance here, support, resistance. So price broke down. When price came back up into this level and rejected. We rejected down, okay? Then when we were down here, we rallied higher. We came back into the same, you know, this base, this top, okay? We rallied into the base of it, and support has now become resistance. Price cannot break through it. Price rejected, rolled over. Price moved back higher in a rally. We came back up into this level, you can see right here, and the price, this was, you know, you can see in here it was resistance. Price broke out above that. We came down, tested this in here, and moved it higher. And in here, this was support, right? For a small period of time, we broke down, we retested it, and then we broke down. This area right here, support, has now become resistance. We reject it. Okay, very simple, guys. Very simple to understand. This is stuff that novice people need to understand, or newer traders. I shouldn't call them novices, because I mean, in my eyes, we're all novices. I've been doing this 13 years and more, and I still like to look at myself as a novice, because you know, I always like to learn, and if you treat the market like every day, like you can learn more and more, you'll always continue to improve, even after 13 years of trading. So anyway, very simple here, guys. We rejected. Now we fell through. What happened when we fell through? Look at this. Price moved higher into this. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit light there. Moved back into this previous support. Now become resistance. What happened? We rejected again. What happened now again? You can see. Let me just zoom in here, guys, because I suppose the price action is getting a bit smaller. So hopefully you can see that. You can see this bundle here. You can see this wick here. All right. This was the last real support. We broke up, and there was a support here. There was also support here and support here. If you want to really drag that line back, price broke down. It was support. Broke down, back up into resistance. Okay, and you can see there we broke down, tested the resistance again, and you know that was all she wrote, and we had the final crash. So guys, what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, so we're in a bull market. Okay, that was considered a bull market. 300% rise, whatever it was. We finally broke down. We bounced, guys. Where did we bounce to? Let me get this tool. We bounced back into the previous support. This was support, bounced up, is now resistance. What happened? We were rejected. Let me just take that back. Okay, we were rejected there. Now we rejected, we fell down. What happened again? We bounced, rallied again. Where did we rally to? Look at this. We rallied into resistance. Support has now become resistance, guys. What happened? We are failing here. We are rejecting. We are dropping. We have a bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. We need to see how this plays out because, the previous market structure back here showed us what happens in a bear market. These previous support become resistance, plays out, and we get lower lows. And also, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, the whole way down. We are still technically a bear market, guys. Lower highs, or lower lows, sorry. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So, and we're rejecting off resistance here, which is previous support now become resistance. Guys, there's bearish signs here in the market. Need to be very careful. Need to be very, very careful. Now, what I want to show you guys is they are bearish signs and we have not completed turning into a bull market yet. But this is a very, very bullish candle. This, the rest of that sort of analysis was all bearish. But, this monthly candle is a very bullish candle. We have 10 days left, 11 days left in the month, or 10 days left in the month. We don't know how this is going to finish yet. So far, it's a very bullish candle. But here's the kicker, guys. Here is the kicker. In bear markets, bullish monthly candles get rejected very, very quickly. Now you can see this extremely bullish candle got completely rejected. Okay, look at this. This is a bullish candle. This is a bullish engulfing. We engulfed more than 50% of the previous candle. The next candle rejected. Just complete wipeout. Again here, this was an extremely bullish candle, complete bullish engulfing. What happened? Another wipeout. We got rejected straight away again, straight away. Okay, look at this candle. This was a bullish candle in at the moving averages, potentially very bullish. What happened? We got rejected straight away. In a bull market, monthly candles will get rejected straight away, usually at least. Nothing's 100% in the markets, but so if this is a true bear market and we are still in a bear market and this support and resistance and bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence is going to play out, the next monthly candle will reject. So be careful. If, guys, and this is possible as well, is very, very, very possible. This is an extremely bullish candle right now. If we are going to be green, guys, next month, if this is a real bull market and we have broke out above, guys, there's no question about it. We have broke out. If this is going to be a real bull market, next month we should be very bullish and we should turn green. I'm not saying instantly, but you can see here, after some bullish candles, this was a little bit of a consolidation, but we're breaking out above moving averages here. And normally that gets a run. That gets a run higher. So next month is going to be extremely important, and our members there in CryptoCheck in our live trading room, we understand this. Next month is going to be extremely important for longer term trades, guys. If this is going to be a bull market and this is a breakout, this is potential to run, and there is no question about it. This could actually run to double top up here. Now things need to happen before that happens, but if this is a real bull market, next month is critical. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video. It's my first video in a while, so a little bit rusty. Just ran through it very quickly there. I know it's 15 minutes, but it's hard to get through this stuff any quicker without leaving anything out. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the analysis, hit us up. Try out the 3-day free trial. We're in there in our live trading room every single day. You know, trading, trying to make a killing in this market, and analyzing the stocks, crypto mainly, of course. So it's a very important time in the markets, guys. So if you need some help, hit us up, try out the 3-day free trial, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.